In sampling, there are two types of errors an auditor can make: an efficiency error and an effectiveness error. An efficiency error undermines the profitability of an audit. An effectiveness error undermines the success of an audit. When we're looking at controls, to say we have an efficiency error means we conclude the controls are not effective when they are effective. This means we are not relying on a control that we could have. By not relying on a control, we are going to set control risk higher, which necessitates we lower detection risk. When we need to lower detection risk, we're going to engage in additional audit procedures. All of this comes at a cost of both time and resources. However, the alternative is we rely upon a control when we should not. In other words, the control is not effective, but we believe it is. By relying on a control that is ineffective, we're going to set control risk too low. When we set control risk too low, we set detection risk too high. When we set detection risk too high, we do not gather sufficient appropriate audit evidence to support our audit opinion. Similarly, when we look at balances, if we have an efficiency problem, we are going to say that there is a material misstatement when there isn't. In other words, our sample says there's a problem, but there isn't. If we believe this, we are going to do additional audit tests to expand our sample, do alternative procedures to see if it's at all possible to issue an unqualified opinion, because the client will not be satisfied with a qualified opinion when there is in fact no material misstatements. This will be inefficient in conducting our audit. An effectiveness error is when we don't find that there's a material misstatement, but there in fact is a material misstatement. This will cause us to issue the wrong opinion. This is an audit failure. And so we want to minimize the risk of audit effectiveness problems while also recognizing that efficiency problems come at a cost.